You tap it on the foot. So, hindi po ginaganyan ng pasyente, ha? So, you lift the foot up, tap. When you check for the pulse, you check it on the carotid sa adult. Sa bata, you check it on the brachial pulse. So, dito siya. So, alam niyo naman ang brachial. Isa dito, pero always in front of you.
Sir, dapat dalawang paa ng baby.
Kasi ang pangag, ginaganon lang.
Dalawa talaga. Okay, good.
Baka sa isa man hit.
Okay, so check the pulse, ganun din, head tilt to open the airway, and then check the pulse. Look, listen, and feel pa rin. So bababa ka pa rin, and then look at the rest and follow the chest. Same. When we do compression, 2 compression for dito,
2 fingers.
fingers will do the compression. Pero same pa rin, 30 by 2.
Okay. 32, then 32.
30 by 2, 5 times.
Umiilaw din yan, sir.
Oo, ilaw yan.
Ayun.
Ayun.
Okay?
Nasa brick.
So, same, pero mas matagal sa bata. Okay? Short time,
five na tayo.
pero 5 times pa rin yan. I'll start with 1, and then ako nang bahala. Pero 5 cycle pa rin yan.
Okay. Okay.
The area is safe. I have 1 victim unresponsive, 1 bystander who can help. I am a trained first aider. I can help. Hey, baby, are you okay? Hey, baby, are you okay? No response. Hey, you, please activate emergency response system and get back to me as I do my initial assessment. The head is clear, the mouth is clear, nose is clear, no bleeding, no contusion. Upper extremities, it's okay, no bleeding, no contusion. Lower extremities, no contusion, no bleeding. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. The baby have weak pulse. Kanina, the patients have 0 pulse. The patients have weak pulse but no breathing. Hey, you, please follow up emergency response system and get back to me as I do my compression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. Ideally sa bata, ilong at bunganga, sakop na ng bunganga. Okay?
Okay.
So, di ba kasi mas maliit yan, kaya pag humihip ka, kasama ang bunganga. Dito,
Kasama
pinipisil ito. Dito sa bata, hindi na, kasi mabubuga mo na rin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5.
5 na. Kinakat na lang para mas mabilis.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 pa din.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. The baby have pulse but no breathing. Hey, you, please follow up emergency response system and get back to me as I do my rescue breathing. Head tilt, chin lift. Blow. 1, 1001. 1, 1002. 1, 1003. 1, 1004. 1, 1005. 1, 1006, 1, 1007, 1, 1008, 1, 1009, 1, 1010, 1, 1039, 1, 1040, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. The baby have pulse but positive breathing. Hey, you, please follow up emergency response system and get back to me as I do my final assessment. Head is clear, mouth is clear. Dito kahit anong sabihin nyo as long as you do assessment. Okay? So syempre, ang check mo naman dyan, wala siyang bleeding, wala siyang contusion, wala siyang, di ba? Airway is okay. So from the upper to the lower, if the patient is conscious, tatayo ka po, hawakan si baby. If the baby is conscious, position the baby into this position. Hawak, support. If the baby is unconscious, nakaganda. Okay? Marami nang nag-final assessment sa akin. Pagkatapos, nakaganyan sila. Recovery position. Sasabihin mo, what is that? Conscious sir ang baby. Nagdadasal kami sa akin. Diba? Ay, sorry sir. Gagawin na sila. Ha? Siyempre, pag nakalimutan mo yan, you will be given reaction. Sa final assessment, 3 sunod-sunod na mali, pinalalabas ko po. Okay? That's why you have to be focused. Okay? So, pag hindi kita pinapansin, ibig sabihin, tama ang ginagawa mo, pero pag pinapansin na kita, hey, what are you doing? 1. O, ano yung bilang mo? 2. Ano? 3. Tapos ka muna iha o iha. And then you practice.
Then babalik sa'yo, sir, after.
Hindi, kung gusto mo, uwi ka na.
Hindi siya tapos
Sir, pag ganyan yung